I'm Pamela Gunther. I'm founder and CEO of Fit and Fun Playscapes. We create and manufacture different physical activities for kids, activities that promote movement, mindfulness, and social-emotional wellness.
So Fit and Fun Playscapes manufactures and designs their own products for children, mainly K through 6. We hope to be able to increase the amount of movement in children of all ages and also adults.
We've got about 75 different designs, and some of them are large, some of them are small. We create decals that go on the floors. We create portable play mats that go inside as well. And we also create stencils with plastic that are used as templates that go down and get painted down outside.
Fit and Fun currently has 2 Trotec SP2000 machines. We have a 200-watt version and we have a 400-watt version. We are currently using those for one of our product lines, primarily cutting stencils for painting, but excited about the future possibilities with these 2 pieces of equipment.
With these machines, we're able to cut really nicely, very intricate lines, as well as engrave. So that means for us, like, we can actually put instructions right on the sheets themselves. We can properly label them, skew them, and of course have the our logo on it as we expand our brand.
There's so much flexibility within the software that is proprietary to the machine, and we've been able to use that technology in support of our own product offerings and really tailor our products to our customer base to make that customer experience that much better. We've also been doing an extensive amount of testing with other materials, some cardboards, some woods, and other types of plastic so that we can move these machines into other possibilities down the road.
The flexibility and the versatility of what we develop is really embraced by the schools. And so we're seeing an increase even in the parks, camps, and trailways as well.
Having the Trotec laser and having our products cut by laser really increased that customer satisfaction by probably 25%.
Our customers have definitely noticed a difference. Just yesterday, I was on a call with a state education department who purchased a large quantity of stencils from us over the past few years. And so they've seen our older ones and now have our newer ones using these machines. And they said it's a completely different experience.
So our first introduction to Trotec was through the main office, and they put us in contact with our regional sales person at the time, Frank Fernandez. Frank walked us through every aspect and every question that we had about the potential purchase of our first large format laser, including a lot of hands-on and a lot of education about the product, about the process, and about the potential benefits that it could pose to Fit and Fun Playscapes.
I had very minimal training. Gary kind of showed me what was going on. I come from the industry, so it's very intuitive. It wasn't hard to pick up on how to run the equipment. And training staff on it is not very difficult at all. A couple hours and you can have anybody running the machines without a problem.
I think it's a fantastic working relationship that we have. And as a business, knowing that we have a manufacturer standing behind their product in support of our success is paramount.
We've been able to reduce our labor costs by 75% with this being in-house now. We've also been able to up our delivery time. From when the customer places an order, we're almost same-day shipping on most orders at this point now through all of our product lines.
We see almost unlimited possibilities having these 2 pieces of equipment supporting Fit and Fun Playscapes.
We currently sell outside of the United States. We see a lot of interest from Australia and Canada and parts of Europe. In addition, there are other age groups that should be moving more and would benefit from these activities that we create. The 3 to 5 year plan is to actually have physical facilities in these other places.
Some of the competitive systems that were out there may have been at a different price point, but they required much more infrastructure or much more dedicated space to operate them, whereas the Trotec machine sits right here in the heart of our offices, and it's accessible to most of our office staff, and they look great. So Fit and Fun Playscapes can be reached at fitandfunplayscapes.com.
Our toll-free number is 800-681-0684, or someone could email us at info@fitandfunllc.com.